Welcome to Study Loop.
For this question, we're looking at post and pre-zygotic barriers and their importance on maintaining speciation between two different organisms. So what a pre and post-zygotic barrier is something that's going to prevent interbreeding between two different organisms. So here you can imagine you have four different organisms, A, B, C, and D. And to be considered a species, they're only going to be able to reproduce within their own species type. So an interbreeding occurrence is going to be when one of these species starts to mate with another to produce what we would call a hybrid. So the reason that we have these zygotic barriers is to prevent the gene combinations or the gene flows to create this hybrid. And that is because we want to conserve the speciation of each individual organism so that they can fill their own niche and they can adapt to the environment through natural selection to improve their own population's chance of surviving and thriving inside of their own environment. So these pre and post zygotic barriers are going to be qualities that prevent this interbreeding occurrence. The prezygotic barriers are going to happen before the egg and the sperm meet, whereas the postzygotic barriers are going to occur after. And this can be anything such from time, it can be the place that they inhabit, or the compatibility of the two organisms. Or it could also be the ability for the hybrid to thrive and survive and reproduce. So any of these are going to prevent the formation of this hybrid, which can cause some complications inside of the environment and possibly even outcompete the original species of parents. And here we just need to make sure we preserve the niche and balance inside the environment for these organisms to properly live and survive. So keeping that in mind, the best answer choice here is going to be B, that these barriers exist to help preserve and prevent the amount of gene flow that occurs with the creation of a hybrid between two species.